Hello everybody and welcome back. I know this video is a whole month late. My YouTube was hacked and it took this long to get it back. So this video is late and it actually is just going to be, I'm just showing you the block and the measurements because I didn't have sound when I filmed the video. So I've had a great month and a half. Really exciting. So anyways, this is block 3 in our countdown to Christmas. This is the block. It is called Gift Box Ribbon, and this is what mine looks like. So you have just 3 pieces here. Your 2 outside pieces, which would be like your wrapping paper, they are 3.5 by 12.5. And the middle piece, which would be your ribbon, I'm assuming is how they wanted it laid out, would be 6.5 by 12.5. And then just like on the other 2 I've done so far, I do have a 1.5 inch strip all around as a border. So then it will line up to my other ones as we go. And it's already sashed. I don't have to add anything to it. So you just sew your 2 strips together, or your 3 strips into one piece. It's very simple. It was a great one for it to not work on because it's very easy to explain. So there it is, and then you just add your border however you want. And I just wanted to come on and give you this quick one. I'm going to try to be back on my schedule now that I have my YouTube back. I'll try to be back on this will come out the first Sunday of every month, and then I'll try to get back on a schedule with filming some videos, maybe have some sew-alongs other than this one, some shorter paced ones. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back after I've lost it, and I will see you all next time. Have a great day.